Hello everyone. Today we are making crispy potato balls that are soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Let's get started. So for this, I'm going to be using around 4 to 5 potatoes. They are medium sized. So we're going to be getting 4 to 5 of it. If you love crispy golden snacks, then you're in for a treat today. So firstly, we're going to peel these potatoes. Alright, we're going to peel them and then we're going to cut it up. So you can use your knife to peel, or if you have a potato peeler, you can use it, whichever one is easy for you to use. Please make use of it. I prefer using knife, it's faster for me. So now we're done peeling. I'm going to give it a rinse and then I'm going to cut it up into little bits. And when we're done with that, we're going to boil the potatoes. So you're going to boil the potatoes until they are very soft so that it will be easy to mash. So that's it. After boiling, I'm going to scoop it out and then put it in my bowl and get ready to give this a mash. So you're going to do that until they have all come together, until they are well matched up. Okay. So when you're done with that, we're going to add some corn flour. I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of corn flour. And now we're going to add in some flavors. Okay. I'm adding salt, paprika. I'm going to use some parsley in it. You can also use some cilantro, garlic powder, onion powder if you prefer. So now we're going to give this a good mix. Okay, we're going to mix it up to make sure everything is evenly distributed. So now I'm just going to go in with a teaspoon of vegetable oil and now I'm going to mix it together with my hands. So everything is well mixed now. We'll now start to roll it into balls. Okay, just take a small portion of the potato mixture and roll it into a ball. Next, you're going to heat up your oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the potato balls into the oil. Don't overcrowd the pan, alright? You want them to cook evenly. So you're going to fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes or until they're golden brown and crispy on the outside. Make sure to flip them halfway through so they can cook evenly, right? We want them to cook very, very well. So once they're perfectly crispy like this, you're going to take them out and let them drain on some paper towels. Okay, there you have it, crispy potato balls that are perfect. It's the perfect snack or appetizer. So you can serve this with any of your favorite dipping sauce. I'm using ketchup here. Or you can even use some mayo, spicy mayonnaise if that's what you want. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss a recipe. See you in my next video. Bye.